What is going on, everybody? Thank you guys for watching as always. And today, guys, we're going to be doing a full flight with the Southwest 737. We're going to be flying from Tampa International. We're going to be starting at Foxtrot 79, ramp Foxtrot 79, I should say. And we're going to be flying all the way up to Atlanta, which is all the way over here. Should be probably about like an hour, maybe 15-minute flight at the most. I'm going to go ahead and get my waypoint set. So first, I'm going to set one down here. I'll probably set one for, we'll do Cinca. We'll set one right there. That way, whenever I get to that one, I know that I'm getting close to the airport and I can lose some more altitude. Then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to join, we'll do Jaya. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and set for this one, which is Skinner. You're not supposed to call him like that, guys. I'm just letting you know. That's just how I'm doing it. Alright, guys, so we got that all set. We're going to go ahead and spawn in. Now, I am, like I said, on multiplayer, so there will be real-world conditions and actual planes. No one really spawns at Tampa, though, so I should be the only one departing. And Atlanta, I'm not sure how busy Atlanta is. We will find out, though, once I get there. We're going to go ahead and, once we spawn in, get the plane set up and configured. It usually already starts, our spawn's already started up, so I don't have to do that. Here we go. Alright, so we're at Tampa now, and it does seem that I am the only person here. Look at those graphics, guys. Look how gorgeous that is. That's absolutely amazing. Look at that. I'm still amazed by how beautiful it really is here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go to the nav here. Cinca, let's take us to that one first. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have our waypoint set. We are starting at KTPA, then we will be going to Cinca, Jaya, and Skinner, and it already has everything mapped out for us. Amazing, that's all we need. Engines are started up. So we're going to go ahead and request for pushback here. We're going to go ahead and go, let's see. We want to go straight. We'll go left. And then we got him coming, so I'm going to go ahead and whenever he hooks up, disconnect the brakes. Brakes are disconnected. Pushback has begun. While we're doing this, we're going to go ahead and set the flaps. We really shouldn't need to go very high today with the flaps. We'll do 22 degrees. Nice little shot of us being pushed back off of ramp 79. A wonderful job there, Mr. Pushcart. Thank you very much. Actually, he's putting me right on the line almost. That's amazing. That is so cool, guys. X-Plane Mobile has come such a long way since they first released it. We are set. Apply the parking brake. Thank you, sir. Safe travels to you as well, brother, wherever you go. Alright, guys, so today we're going to be taxiing to 01 left. That way we can depart to the north and then get to Atlanta. So we're going to be doing that now. Nice little taxi with the 737. I mean, I just can't get over how good the graphics are in this game. It's absolutely insane. It's not even a game, it's a simulator. I can't disgrace it like that. This simulator is just so, it's just so beautiful the way they have the graphics and everything. X-Plane 10 Mobile's come such a long way since it first was released. And you guys saw my video that I made where I compared old and new, and it's just a world of a difference, guys. It's absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that. That's amazing. That is. I mean, that looks like, you know, if you were like sort of blind, it looks real. So down to 01 left we go. That way we can go ahead and take off to the north. I had to reset my flaps because unfortunately I left one of my failures on and my engine died. So I had to redo everything. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and hold short of 0-1 left here. Make sure we got no traffic coming in. I don't see anybody. Oh, we do have a plane that spawned on 1-9 right. So, glad I checked that. He might be taking off, I think. We're going to find out. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what is happening. He seems to be flying either through the airport or across it. Either way, we're going to continue with our departure here. No one's coming in for final. We are clear. So I'm going to go ahead and release the brakes, some throttle, get ourselves on the runway. Alright guys, here we go. Flaps are set, we're all good. We're going to go ahead and do about 40% N1. Engines are good. 80% N1, here we go. Try about N1 here. Go ahead and rotate. We are up. Positive rate, gear up. Go ahead and get the gear going in. A little bit of a bumpy departure, a little rough here, but not too bad. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start taking the trim out. Actually, I'm gonna put more trim in because it seems like. Yeah, let me take some flaps out. Actually, let me go ahead and just retract the flaps. I don't need those anymore. There we go. Add some more negative trim in there. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and make a slight left turn. I'm going to go ahead and engage the autopilot here. There we go. Autopilot's engaged. We need to make a slight left turn. We're going to go ahead and we'll do 350. Let's see where that gets us. Alright, so we're coming through. Oh god, I am overspeeding just a little bit. Let me go ahead and slow that down. I am, in fact, committing a FAA violation. I'm going to assume that we are cleared for, I think it's called a speed climb, where you can climb through 10,000 at your discretion. We're just going to assume that, because I did not mean to do that. Alright, so heading wise, we're pretty much spot on. Let's see, altitude, pitch. Let's do vertical speed's 3,200. We'll go ahead and we'll keep that going. We're good there. It's a nice, beautiful day over Florida today. As we go ahead and climb through, I think, 8,000. Absolutely beautiful day, guys. It is a gorgeous day out. As you guys can see, not really many storms. Actually, there's none at all. Just some nice little clouds, nice and sunny. What more can you ask for on a nice little flight in X-Play 10 Mobile? Climbing through, 13,000. And I'm going to go ahead and, for altitude, well, I'm not going to set it yet. I'll probably, fly probably like 33,000 today. Alright guys, so I got our speed now set for 325 knots. Got that set up. We are now going through almost 20,000 feet, so making some progress here. And let's go and look at the map. We made some good progress so far. Let's see, we departed out of, well, for some reason it's not loading. We departed out of like right over here, so we're definitely making some progress for sure. About to fly over the coast. How awesome is that? Look how beautiful that is. Running about 50 frames per second too. That's really good. What's really cool is that you can also see the different cloud layers. That's awesome. I went ahead and I took some speed out because I was kind of maxing out those engines a lot. I don't want to stress out the engines too much, so I kind of set my speed down just a little bit. Climbing through flight level 250, 25,000. Alright guys, so we are about to hit 30,000 feet. I'm going to go ahead and, we're starting to lose some speed here. I'm going to go ahead and cap off the altitude. We'll go ahead and cruise at 30,000. I think that's plenty. Let me go ahead and go here, altitude hold. There we go, 30,100 should be perfectly fine. We are right there anyway. Go ahead and drop the speed to about 300 knots. There we go. We are passing over, looks like around the Chiefland area. We still have quite a ways to go. It's going to be a little bit, but that's okay. It's definitely pretty nice and calm up here. There's really no turbulence. Seems like it's a pretty calm day. Autopilot got us locked in nice. Beautiful 737 just cruising through the skies today. Coming for Atlanta, Jackson, Hartfield. Well, we will be hitting Georgia here fairly shortly. We're making our way through Florida pretty quickly. The border is probably within 100 miles or so. Maybe 150 miles. So we'll be there we'll be there pretty soon. Atlanta will probably be there in like an hour from now. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't know if I'm going to be using Global next time for my next full flight, because it is draining my battery so quick. My phone is so hot because of I'm flying in real time with like other people, like the server and the internet. It's just terrible. My phone's so hot and it's losing battery so quickly. Alrighty, so by the looks of it here, I think we're going to have to make a slight left turn, because we have to be, yeah, we have to follow that purple line there. I think it's ILS. I'm not too good with this, honestly. We're going to go ahead and make a left turn, heading, let's see, let's do 320 and see where that gets us. And let me go ahead and I need to go a little further left. We'll do heading 300 here. Yeah, I messed up just a tad. I wasn't supposed to turn left just yet. So I'm making a right turn now. I'm fixing it. I gotta correct my heading a little bit. I gotta keep going straight north. Eventually I'll learn how to properly use the systems, but as of right now I'm not too good with them. I am going to go ahead and start losing some altitude. So instead of, we're going to do vertical speed, I'm going to go ahead and go negative. We're going to go minus 1,000 feet per second here. Start to bring the plane down, lose some altitude. And we'll keep the speed the same for now. But yeah, we're going to start losing some altitude because we are in Georgia. So overspeeding will bring the speed down. Alright, so we got the speed set to 275, vertical speed minus 1100, and let's see where we're at here. We should be coming up on Atlanta very shortly. Unfortunately, I had a huge malfunction, and my plane completely banked really hard left, and I had to fix that, so I'm all messed up now. But we're back on track, guys, to where we need to be. Like I said, we're descending through 220 right now, and we should be there. I think probably like 20 minutes, maybe. Well, let me see what's going on with the map here. Yeah, we're definitely getting close. Alright guys, we are descending through 16,000 right now, or flight level 160, sorry. We're at 265 knots. And Atlanta still isn't in sight yet, which is kind of interesting. I'm not sure where exactly Atlanta is at. I can't really figure out my navigation system all that well. It should be right around here though. We should be getting very close to it. Within, like I said, within about 15 minutes it should be right in front of us. Hopefully we're right about that. Coming through flight level 150, speed still good. We're just cruising along here on the 737. You know, we haven't passed Atlanta yet, so we're still on track to make it there. I just gotta find it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and maintain flight level 130 because I got to find the airport still. So I'm going to go ahead and do an altitude hold for 130. There we go. That way I can go ahead and navigate where Atlanta is. Like I said, we're very close. We are very close to it. I just got to find it, and I want to go ahead and keep my speed up and not have to drop to 250 knots according to FAA regulation. So I'm going to keep flying at this altitude for now. Hold this steady. Come on, Atlanta, where are you at? I know you're here somewhere. I may have descended a little bit too early, but that's okay. It'll all work out. Alright guys, so I can tell that we're actually getting close to, I think I'm to Cinca. Let me check, let me see, let me go here and see. Yeah, we're getting close to Cinca. We are on the right track, because as you guys can see, the purple bar is moving to the left, so we are getting close to our first waypoint, which is good. Now, where Cinca is beyond me. It's to the left somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and make a slight left. We'll do heading 320 for our left heading. And let's see if we can maybe, there we go, align ourselves with it. Let's find out. That might have been too much. A little bit too much. So we'll do... Sorry, passengers. Okay, so 355 seems to be where we're at. That's really good. We got that pretty much set. We're almost dead on. That's amazing. Heading right for Cinca, and we're still at flight level about 13,000 or 130. So that's good. Speed's good. I'm gonna keep my altitude as steady, or I'm gonna maintain this altitude for as long as possible, so I can keep my speed up, even though I'm not going much faster, but still, it still helps. Okay, so Atlanta is somewhere over here then. We can't even see it. So we are coming up to pass Cinca, which is good. Alright guys, we have Atlanta in sight. So that is great, guys, great news here. As you guys can see, we are very far away still. I descended way too early. That was my fault. I didn't realize how far away I was still. And that's the part that sucks, you know, about X-Plane, is that you can't see on the map just how far away you are. It doesn't load everything. So I descended way too early. I should still be at, you know, at least 20,000 feet or so, and I'm at like 3,000, like 13,000. So yeah, I definitely descended really early, really prematurely, but that's fine. We will fix it. We're on our way for was it Jaya? I think it is. Okay, so it seems like my plane is doing its own thing. I think I'm not sure, because it keeps turning left like this. I don't know if it's lining up itself or what. Alright, so we got Jaya on the map now. As you guys can see, the turn, where I'm supposed to turn towards Atlanta itself, and that's coming up probably within, what is that, 20 nautical miles? Is that what that means? I'm not sure. It's coming up shortly, though. We're going to get ready for that. We are at 13,000 feet still, of course, because I descended way too early. I'm gonna probably start descending a little bit more, actually, because we are coming pretty close, and I don't want to have to, you know, descend last minute. So what I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to go ahead and drop the speed to, let's say, about 245 knots. We'll go ahead and do vertical speed, and we'll do about minus 300 feet per minute. Should be enough to start to get us down there. So we're going to slowly descend and make our way towards Atlanta now. We are getting pretty close. I'm hoping that where this last waypoint is, I'm hoping it's not too close, because if it's too close, then it'll be a last-minute turn, and I don't want to misjudge my altitude. So we're looking good right now, though. I'm going to keep going with what we got. 240 knots, coming down through 12,800. Looking good, looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and throw out some flaps. Let's do 10 degrees. Bring that nose down a little bit. There we go, starting to level off. because I was starting to sit kind of high in the nose. So lower the nose, even it out. Looks good like that. There we go. Scenery looking nice. Somewhere over Georgia. Don't know exactly where, but somewhere over Georgia. There comes our turn. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to fix myself here. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna have to do my own heading. Let's turn to the right. Vertical speed. Go ahead and do -600. Speed itself, let's do 235. And we're gonna throw more flaps. We'll do 17 degrees. Heading wise, right there should be pretty good. There we go. That should land me perfectly, almost straight north. There we go. And then that way, my waypoints were kind of messed up. Again, I'm still learning all this. I'm not perfect. Nowhere near it. Oops. We're gonna go ahead and once I get where the blue line is, I'll make a hard left. But I have to lose a lot of altitude and pretty quickly because I'm coming up on it. We'll do -1300 feet per minute. So we're bleeding at altitude quickly. The runway, I believe the airport is there. Maybe, actually no, that's the last waypoint. But the airport's right next to that last waypoint. So pretty much the second that I get aligned with those two waypoints is when I'll make my left turn. Descending through flight level 115. Alright, we are descending through 10,000 now. Our speed is good. We're not violating any FAA laws this time. And airport is coming up on the left here. So I hope I'm losing speed fast enough. I wonder if I can see the airport and judge. I can't see anything. Right, so oh boy, this is going to be interesting. I'm going to go ahead and make that left turn now. Let's go ahead and we'll turn left. I don't know what the exact heading is going to be. Hopefully this is enough. I think I'm a little too high, guys. Well, I might have to go around and do a loop around the airport, honestly. So I don't want to, you know, just descend really quickly. I might be able to salvage it. We'll see. Okay, so we're pretty much directly straight for Atlanta. Like, pretty much dead on. Using the map, which is kind of not the right way to go about it, but it's the best I can do right now with what I got. Well, let me see if I can see the airport. Oh, there it is. Okay, airport's in sight. Honestly, altitude-wise, I should be okay. I should be okay. We're gonna go ahead and speed. Let's drop the speed down to 220. Runway is dead in front of me. That's perfect. Actually, I might be golden. I might be on the money here. I might be on the money with this one. So that actually worked out. We're at what? Coming through 5,500. Not going to deploy gear just yet. I will, however, deploy some more flaps. So we're at 22 degrees of flaps now. Speed is dropping very slowly. Yeah, airport's way out there. Let me see if anyone's even on it. Nope. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and... Let me take one last look here. Let me see. Go ahead and slow down my descent rate. Turn my heading just a little bit to the right. That should be perfect right there. Oh, yeah. That's money right there. Look at that, guys. Got myself perfectly set up here. That's perfect. Okay. So, speed's good. Coming through 3,500. I'm going to go ahead and put down the gear. Gears down. A little bit of a steep steep descent, but no worries. Runway's in sight, coming through 3,200. A little bit to the left, so I'll fix that just a little bit to the right here. Not by a lot, not by a lot. Don't overshoot it. Go ahead and lower my speed just a little bit more. We'll go to about 200 knots. And I'm going to pretty much hand fly it in very shortly. Descent rate, let's slow that down just a bit. Atlanta is in sight, my friends. Alright, I'm going to take it over. Alright, the plane is all mine. We're going to do flaps set. We're going to lower the speed here. Flaps are going to go to full. 48 degrees. And for some reason my plane's swirling. There we go. Alright, my friends, the plane's all mine. So this is all me now. Losing speed kind of quickly. I don't know what happened. It seems like I recalibrated it. I might have messed up. Maybe just a little bit. But no worries. 165 knots. Keep that speed up. Don't want to stall it. I think there's a little bit of a wind going on. That might be what it is. I still have to get used to the fact that this is real world weather, real time. Oh, I'm way off center line. Let me fix that. 1,000 checked. I gotta fix myself and quick because I am to the left quite a bit here. I think I'm dealing with a crosswind. I could be wrong, but let me fix myself because I'm Really not doing that great here. There we go. Yeah, my calibration's off, but that's okay. I can deal with it. Keep my speed up here. I don't want to stall. 500 checked. A little high. 400 checked. And
300.
coming in. Center line looking good.
200.
Here we go. It's looking better. 160.
100.
Pull the power out. I'm a little high, but that's okay.
50.
It's starting to lag.
30. 20.
Oh no!
10.
Oh no! Oh no! Wow. Okay, that was really bad. I don't know what happened there, but I know I messed up something. Holy crap. Wow, it is laggy. I think Atlanta is just so packed. Like the graphics are just so packed. It's a little laggy. Woo! Jeez. Wow, that was terrible. I can't replay it. That's the crappy part. I'm in multiplayer. I can't replay that landing at all. Wow, that was not good at all. Well, welcome to Atlanta, everybody. We made it with an extremely hard landing. Some say I'm flying Southwest. Legends will have it that I'm flying Ryanair. I don't know what happened. That was terrible. I mean, that was just awful. Yeah, look at the detail. That's why it's so laggy right now. I'm only getting like 20-ish frames per second. And unfortunately, I can't communicate with ATC because it won't let me, even though there is no ATC here. Wow, sorry for the frame rate. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just, you know, the fact that it's a very detailed airport, so my phone's trying its best to handle it. Alright guys, we have made it to the gate now. Well, kind of. Long story, my phone ended up like glitching out and wouldn't let me choose anything. It was really terrible. I don't know what happened. But anyway, we have made it to Atlanta, guys. We have made it safely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I think it came out pretty okay. There were a couple fails I had in this flight that I'm not going to show. But anyway, it turned out okay. Alright, you live, you learn. There were some things I need to do better on. But for my first full flight video, I hope you guys do enjoy this. I had a good time doing it, and we have successfully made it with a very hard landing, but no one died, at least I think. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you all for watching. If you have any suggestions or something, please let me know in the comments, and I will talk to you guys soon.